Your words have more power than you think, especially I am statements. When you say I am, whatever follows, your mind takes on as an identity. So if you're saying I'm an idiot or I'm depressed, that's going to affect you. When you preclude statements with I am, your brain takes on that identity, and from there, you live out that identity. There's a flip side of this, where our I am statements that are spoken with your future in mind. For example, I am successful or I'm physically fit. And whether you see yourself as successful or physically fit is irrelevant. Your brain will take on that identity of successful or physically fit. I mean, of course, the goal is not to lie to ourselves, but rather be conscious of what you say after you say I am. Is it leading you towards or away from the person that you want to become? So here's how you can start shaping I am statements that will actually help you grow and lead you closer to the person that you want to become. The first way you can shape your I am statements to benefit you is by focusing on where you want to be, not where you currently are. It is so easy to get stuck on all the things that we have done or areas where we feel like we're behind. But imagine how different it would feel to think I am capable or I am resilient instead of zeroing in on what you lack. The trick is to speak as if you're already moving towards that version of yourself. You're planting seeds for growth, and even if you don't totally feel like it yet. And over time, the language shapes your mindset, helping you take actions that line up with who you're becoming, not just who you are now. Another way to shape your I am statements to benefit you is by catching the negative I am statements and reframing them. We're all guilty of that inner critic that says things like, I am such a failure, or I'm always messing things up, or I am not good enough. It's like carrying around unnecessary baggage, and it doesn't do you any favors. Start paying attention when those I am statements pop up, and take a second to rephrase them. Instead of, I am so bad at this, try, I am learning or I am improving. It might feel a little bit forced at first, but over time, this reframing actually begins to shift the way you see yourself. The more you catch and correct it, the easier it becomes to stop negative self-talk in its tracks. Another way to shape your I am statements to benefit you is by making I am statements part of your daily routine. Consistency is key here. Pick a few I am statements that resonate with you. Maybe ones that speak to qualities or goals that you're working towards. And start saying them each day. Try saying them out loud in the morning or just before bed. This isn't about tricking yourself, but about reinforcing those qualities as part of who you are. When you do this regularly, it's like giving your brain a daily reminder of the person that you are choosing to be. Little by little, those qualities start to feel real, and you'll find yourself acting in ways that reflect them and attract them into your life. I am statements are small shifts that can make a big difference over time. So what are you saying after I am today? Make it count, because those words are shaping who you'll become tomorrow. My hope is that this has been beneficial to you. So let me know in the comments what I am statements you've been saying to yourself and how that's affected who you have become today.